Doing all traditional steps. We have Sean and Cian here. We have Sean on banjo and Cian on fiddle, and we're doing a selection of reels. And we have the 2-hand reel first. Now, all right, ready girls? Ready, up nicely. And hop, 2, 3, hop! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under the arm and 1, 2, 3. Under and 1, 2, 3. Turn into your partner and 1, 2, 3. Up to the top together 2, 3. Into 3 and out 2, 3. Down again 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop 2, 3 and hop 2, 3. Under your arm and 1, 2, 3. Drop your hands and square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and turn. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and turn. Square. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, come down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and right hand up around. 2, 3 and the left. Come back. 2, 3, straight line 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, lead up. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, 3 and down. 1, 2, turn and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3 up. Well done. Now I'll explain to you a lot of these